This is session number 7, string message. Let me show you this one. The objective of this lesson is just to call string object, call string method as well. Understand that the hierarchy of Java, that you have class inside package inside Java as well. But there's no need even to bring the string class, because it's already by default they will be added for you for this program. Let me show you here some methods are very important. The first one, we use a class just to make a new object. So this is class, construct a new string just to make a new object as a string. We have some methods like int length, but this is return method, and the return is coming with integer. So it will show you how many number of letters or characters inside this string, substring to start taking, start taking some letters from start index to the end index. Substring is a little bit different. Substring, because it's overload in the methods. So substring only, without from to, you just remove some characters. Int index of, they'll show you return the index of. Boolean, here we have equals just to compare the two strings as well. So if it's okay, they'll show you true, otherwise it will be false. It's also very important sometimes when you compare two passwords together as well. Compare to this also important because it will return, or let me show you even this one for compare to. Return is less than 0 if this which is string number 1 compared to string number 2. String number 1 is less than string number 2, so the result will be minus. Okay, so the first one is less than second one, so the result will be with minus. If both are equal, it will be 0. If the first is bigger, it will be minus, depending on the letters on the ASCII code as well. Let me make the practice this one. First I just make a class named as string method. Second step, create a string object named as days and give the value with Monday. I just make a string value. Like how to make it? You just start with string, and you name it what? Days, new string, and just give it the value Monday. Make another string, my day, new string Monday. This is a little bit small. Okay. Now from 4 we will use the method, so I just go over here and say using string method. Let me explain one by one to be very easy, because only few methods here. The first thing is just number of letters of the first string. So to return this one, you have to put it inside a variable. So to make it inside a variable, just make int number of letters is equal what? Is equal days dot, and see automatically show you everything you need to. All of these are the methods regarding the string class. So I just go and say days.length, len, yes, and then I just need only the length of it. What's this? Yeah. Let me just also as well to print or see the result. I say here system print and make a number of letters. Let me show you the result now. Is it working or not? Okay, so the number is 6 letters or 6 characters, as you can see now. So this is the first task. The second task, only I need the first 3 letters. and this is also very important. The first three is returning with letters, so it will be string. So just type string, first three letters is equal days dot substring. And look at this one, it's very important. This will show you the overload methods. So automatically you can just ask only substring whatever, depending on the parameters inside it, they'll give you the result. Let me show you this one. Substring, I would say from 1 to 3. They ask that we need the first 3 letters. So this is very, very important. Here index start with 0, not from 1. So if I start from 1, so they will start from O till N. So this is very, very important. It's 1 and 2. So it will not give me M. So in this case, just to be understand that the index always starts from 0, 1, 2, not from 1. So here I just type system.out.println. This is not correct as well, but just I want to show you how it's working. First 3 letters. Let me print it. Where is M? M is not there because you have to start from 0 and to what? To 3. I just click over here. Okay, this is Monday. Means 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. The third one, only the first letter. And how you bring the first letter in this case? You can just make it the same, but instead of 0 and 3, 0 and 1. That's it. So let me, I just will change it. No need even to make it 0 and 1 because you need only the first letter. So click. Okay, this is the first letter M only. Type. Here, this is also very important. I need the last letter. And also depending on which variable, maybe I change the variable later. Maybe I give another value to this variable, or depending on the variable as well. So I just make string last letter. And that's very, very important. Is equal, you put the variable, days, dot, substring, yes. But this time I need only even, because sometimes I change the value for it. So this is very important. I use number of letters, this variable, and I just make -1. So remove everything except the last letter. So let me show you this number of letters. Sorry, number of letters -1. So let me show you the last letter, how to print it. Start the println last letter. Print the last letter only. So now, as you can see, I print the first letter and the last letter. Again, try to understand this one. If there's only here this substring, it means just only you remove everything except this. So imagine I need, or I added only substring 2 or 3. If I put substring 3, it means remove MON. Sorry, from the first one, MON. So they print what? The rest. Let me show you the result as well here. It's day. So here a substring, I need to remove everything except the last letter. But it might be different. Maybe I put Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and so on. So this will be easy for me if I just take the first number of letters and I just add -1 after it. So my number of letters -1. So automatically they'll show me the minus letter. Even if I change this now to be U, still automatically they'll show me only the last letter. So whatever the variable name, it will be automatically changed. The last, no, this is not the last one. Index of the last letter. So easy as well. So you put string. So index is number. So I put int my index or index of last is equal days dot index of what? Index of number of letters. I just need the last letter. So the last letter, I can just take it automatically from the variable up and put it here. So put last letter. And that's very, very important to understand how to take the value from one variable and add it again to another variable. Let me show you this one. Oh, here, index of the last letter. One of the last letter is what? Is y. But index of last letter, is just working with what? With string. So here, last letter will take this one. So index of last letter. Okay. Now if I just come into index of, could you show me index of y? And let me show this one as well. Oh, I'm sorry. The last letter. Let me just print this one. System dot out the println print what? Index of last, and run it. Oh, index of last is 5. It's a very similar as well if you just remove last letter and added y. But I just want you to show you, that this is very important to let the result coming from one variable and come to the next variable automatically. So if you just click over here, the same result as well, which is y as well as number 5. If I just put y and click OK, click the put -1. -1, it means not found. Y here is capital, y up is small. So this is y as well. The last one, or even you can just make it last letter. Show me the index of last letter. They'll show me automatically the index that is number 5. So this is number 5, not 6, because number 6, but index is what? Is 5. Show me the last step, which is compare the first string and the second string. Now the first one is Monday, second one is Monday as well. So you just type. Did I compare it? I don't know if it's compare or not. Yeah, compare the first letter to the second one, to the last one. So I forgot to add equal. It's a Boolean. Is it or is equal? Is equal is coming to show you if you compare, and it's very important to understand, because sometimes we need to compare exactly the password or whatever. So you can just compare. Is equal is what? Days. Compare days, it means this one, this variable, days dot equal. Days dot equals of what? Days of my day. So in this case, they'll show you. If it's true, you open the account. Otherwise, it will mean that the password is not correct. So here, system.out.println is equal. Let me show you, is it equal or not? Oh, false. So false, it means not equal. Is not equal. Here, if I just type exactly M, that's why I said you can just compare two passwords together to understand exactly if capitals. This now is true. So let me just make the last one, which is compared to. I said and my compare is equal what? Days dot compare to, and this is very important. Compare to compare also two variables, but the result will be only minus or 0 or plus. Minus of the first variable, which is this, is less than the next variable, the next string, or plus if the first one is bigger than the last one. So I compare days to my days, the first one to the second one, and I print as well the results. So I type system.out.println what my compare. Let me show you the result as well here. Okay, this is minus 32. Why minus 32? Because the first one is less than. How is less than? Because m small is coming before m capital. And if I just add a, so a is coming before m, so it's bigger than m, so it will be plus. So let me show you again. It will be, yes, plus. But if I just make it exactly, they will show me 0. 0 it means it's the same password. So this is also very important. We come into this one as well. It's 0, 0 it means they are both the same, and it's true, and as you can see right now. I'm sure that you understand all of the string methods right now, and everything is so easy. You have to only to practice all of these methods.